Hello friends, it's Jackie Bolhuis from Klompen Stampers. Now before I get started, I just want to tell you I'm not going to stamp today. I just thought I would take today's video to share a little bit more about myself, my stamping journey, and also I would love to invite you to come and join me and the Klompen Stampers, and I want to tell you why. Now, again, I'm not going to stamp, so if you are here solely to see a fun stamping project, go look at the video I just posted a couple days ago, and I'll post another one in a couple of days. So just a little bit more about me. I have been a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator for about 25 and a half years. Oh my goodness, that just blows my mind even saying that. So let's go back 25 years ago. I was a young mom. I had 3 kids. They were 2, 4, and 7. And I was so desperately looking for something to do for myself and adult interaction. I think a lot of you can relate to that. So I, with a friend, discovered card making and rubber stamping. And I went crazy. I jumped in with both feet. I can remember going shopping at a stamp store. If you guys remember, there's not a lot left, but we used to have stores that were just for stamps. And I bought a ton. I bought this stamp because it was really cute, and that stamp because it was really cute. And I like this color ink pad, and I like this paper. And I just started buying all this random stuff. Well, pretty soon, I had a ton of stuff, but I struggled knowing what to do with it. Because you see, most stamps, at least back then, were sold individually. So I had a cute teddy bear, I had a cute balloon, I might have a cute leaf, a cute tree, a cute whatever, but I couldn't do anything with them. And I really didn't have anyone to teach me or show me things. So I started buying magazines. Back then, stamping magazines were a big thing. And I purchased a magazine and I flipped through it over and over and over. And there was an ad in the back that caught my eye. And it was an ad for Stampin' Up! No clue what it was. Thought, what the heck? I called the 800 number that was on it to get information. Well, actually, I guess to get a catalog. And because again, I'm just looking for more product. Well, back then, Stampin' Up! Was only 7 years old. Things were way different. My phone call actually left, I had to leave a message on what seemed to be like a home answering machine for those that remember that. And they said someone would contact me. So it was, oh gosh, a good week later, I got a phone call from a woman in, at the time, Spokane, Washington. Who the heck's this person? Anyhow, she was a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. She was calling me back to get my information, to send me a catalog, and so on and so forth. Well, I got the catalog, and like many of you, I was completely overwhelmed and blown away. There was so much goodness in that catalog. And I look back at that first catalog I received, and it was like, oh, this is what got me all excited compared to what you see today. Huge changes in 25 years. So I, being the smart person I was, I looked at joining Stampin' Up! Solely because the kit was such a good deal. Now, it was $300 back then, but I knew I would get a ton of product. We didn't even get to pick the products we wanted. We just got the kit that they put together, but it had stamps and ink and paper and an assortment of things that I knew I could do lots of stuff with. I really didn't have intentions of sticking around for over 25 years. I was looking at purchasing the kit to get all of this stuff and to have access to some resources to help me learn to stamp better. Well, let's fast forward 25 years. That is the same reason that most people join Stampin' Up! Today. And I want to invite you to look at the chance to join Stampin' Up! Right now during the month of June, because it is a fantastic deal. By now, you've probably gotten your hot little hands on one of these catalogs, or you've seen it. If you haven't, leave me a comment and I can send you a link so you can look at it online, or hop on over to my website and you can request one and I'll pop one in the mail to you. But you know what? When you look through this, and if you are a brand new paper crafter or card maker, or you've been around for a long time like me, you will know there is so much goodness in here, so many awesome products. And when you join Stampin' Up! During the month of June, it is a tremendous deal. And I promise you, there is no commitment or pressure. Join for the discount, the deal, and the fun of being a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. So the kit, it is only $99, free shipping. Who doesn't love free shipping? And you get to select whatever you want out of this catalog up to a value of $125. Plus, you get to select an additional bundle. Now, a bundle can be a stamp set and punch bundle or a stamp set and die bundle. The highest price one, I believe, is $60.25, and they kind of go down from there. But you pick whichever one you want for free. So depending on which one you pick, I say pick the one that's $60. That's up to $185 worth of product. You're only going to pay $99. You're going to get free shipping. It's going to make you a demonstrator at least through the end of October. And during that time period, you get all the benefits. You can also decide what you want to do. Now, honestly, it's a great test drive. You might want to try to share it with others. You might want to try doing a class or some online events. That is completely up to you. Or maybe you just want to buy everything you want at a great 20% discount. Again, it's up to you. There is no commitment. There is no requirements. You know, and sometimes people question when I say there's no commitment. There really isn't. It's up to you. However, if you want to stay a demonstrator, there is the quarterly minimum. You have to submit just $300 in orders by the end of October, and you can stay another 3 months, and so on and so forth. If you don't, so what? You just go back to being a regular customer and paying full price again. Now, as a demonstrator, you not only get the benefit of the discount, you get to order products early, and you know what? The holiday catalog, actually I think they're changing the name, the mini catalog, winter mini catalog, whatever they're calling it these days, is coming soon. And as demonstrators, we get to order a whole month early from that catalog. If you join, you get that opportunity as well. The other thing, being part of the Klompen Stampers has so many benefits. Number one, if you've ever participated in one of my online classes or purchased one of my tutorials, well, they're available to all of my demonstrators on my team completely free. You don't have to buy them and you get them each month. You even have access to all my past ones. So if you like fun folds, there's now 3 different fun fold classes that you can have access to for free, as well as a ton of other ones. There's a one sheet wonder, a bunch of them. If you go over to my website and you click on tutorial store, you'll see all the ones I have there for sale where you can get those. We also have a great community via a Facebook group. We do lots of challenges, stamping events, virtual stamping events, mystery stamping. I love to give away prizes for participating in different things, but it's a lot of fun. I'm also part of a team that's called the Creative 8 team. Now, you may have heard of us. We are a group of 5 top demonstrators in the company, and we have band together to provide for our teams jointly. You know, it's kind of like getting 5 teams to be part of for one. We have a combined Facebook group. We do Facebook Lives generally about 6 times a month. A lot of them, I'd say most of them, center around creativity. We love to teach you more stamping ideas and techniques and ideas. And then we also share a lot of business stuff. And I have a huge library of business resources for those of you that want to join Stampin' Up as a demonstrator to maybe have a part-time income. I can help you with that as well. So that was a lot of babbling. Just wanted to share that with you a little bit because I don't want you to miss out on the opportunity that's happening right now during the month of June. I would love to have you join the Klompen Stampers. Again, I promise you, if you want to join just to be part of our fun community, have access to all of the tutorials, and be able to purchase everything at a discount, please come join us. Some people call that being a hobby demonstrator or a hobby stamper or a smart shopper, whatever you want to call yourself. Come join us. Or if you'd like to join Stampin' Up as a part-time or even a full-time job, I'm here to help you with that as well. That's what I've done. It's been my full-time job now for 25 years, and I have lots of training, lots of resources, and lots of way to help you in whatever way you want. So with that, you have until June 30th to take advantage of the great starter kit deal that's going on right now. And I invite you to please come join me. If you have questions, please reach out to me. Leave me a comment or message me or email me or give me a call. I'd love to chat on the phone and help you figure out if this is something that is for you. because I'd love to have you. Don't miss the chance to join in on all the fun. So I promise I will be back in 2 days with a stamping video. So if you watch this looking for stamping and you're disappointed that I didn't stamp today, come back in 2 days or look at my YouTube channel because I have tons of videos there that'll help you be creative. So until I stamp with you, have a stamp happy day.